Hello viewers, I want to solve this problem. Do I really need to expand this? No. I'm going to use difference of two squares to get the solution. So I'm going to be having x minus 3, okay, then minus all of this x minus 1. This is going to be, then I pick x minus 3 using our plus. Now I have plus x minus 1 then equals 0. So from here I try to simplify this inside the parentheses further. I'm going to have x minus 3 minus times s. I have minus x minus times this. I'm going to be having plus what? Plus 1. Okay, then I'm going to be having x minus 3 plus times this. I'm going to be having plus x plus times minus. I'm going to be having minus 1 then equals 0. So now from here x minus x will give us 0, so that means that we cancelled out. I have minus 3 plus 1. I'm going to be having minus 2, then multiply by here x plus x. I'm going to be having 2x, then minus 3 minus 1. I'm going to be having minus 4, then equals 0. So this is what, this is zero form equation. So you know, when you have zero form equation, we said it's either minus 2 is equals 0 or 2x minus 4 equals 0. But here minus 2 can never be 0, so put it like this. So this is the only one that can be 0. I have 2x equals 2. I try to subtract 4 from the both sides, so I'm going to be having 4. I divide both sides by 2. This we cancel this. I have x to be equals to 2, and that is the solution to the problem. Bye.